you want to buy an off-plan property in Dubai and you don't have residency visa, an apartment is under construction, and you want to apply for a loan from the bank, you need to consider a couple of very important points. Number one, bank, they don't give you loan if you're non-UAE residents and the apartment is under construction. End of the story. Now you're asking what you have to do. Here we go. First of all, my recommendation is before you buy any off-plan property, you approach a couple of banks, talk with them, provide your documents that they ask you, and make sure you are eligible individually to receive loan from the bank and you will meet their targets. That's number one. If you buy any property and then on completion you understand, oh, they don't give you a loan because of many reasons, you're going to be in a big trouble. After that, you can enter to deal, buy your property, pay the payment by installment, and wait till completion of the project. Once the building is completed, developers will issue you a completion certificate notice that informs you and prove it that the building is ready for your final payment. With the different documents the bank they asked you before, with your uqud, which is your ownership, you can approach to the bank and banks will give you up to 50% loan to value. It means if the value of the apartment is 1 million dirham, they give you 500,000 dirham.